What's going on, guys? So today I just wanted to make a quick short video on my FX30 cinema rig and just show you guys what I use, the tools that I use, and just not show you guys what my rig setup looks like. All right, so the first thing first is the cage itself. So I picked this cage up from Small Rig. So let's put that on real quick. And it comes with like 2 screws on the side also. It's like right there, and then right here also. So it stays in place well. So let's put those screws in. All right, so there you go. And the next thing is the base plate and the rod. I have a short rod. I have this rod, and also have like a longer rod. I prefer the shorter rod because I just like my rig very like compact and small as possible. Screw that in place. All right, and then boom. The next thing is the V-mount battery holder. So also pick this up from Small Rig. All right, boom. So that's the top piece right there, where we're gonna hook up the top handle. So let's actually get the top handle, and of course the top handle is from Small Rig. All right, so the next thing is we're gonna grab the V-mount. So let's hook up the battery right there. Boom, right there. So let's attach the Sigma MC11 converter to the FX30. And again, the Sigma 1835 crop lens, which goes perfectly with this camera because it's a crop sensor. So far this is what we have. So I have the top handle, Small Rig, not the top handle, sorry guys, the side handle for Small Rig. So screw that on real quick. All right, one more time. So screw that on. All right. All right, so that's what it looks like with the. See, there you go. So that's what it looks like with the side handle, and the swivels also rotates. Boom. Next thing is we're gonna attach the matte box. So it's like the smaller version of like the original matte box, which is slightly bigger. So the adapter ring for the matte box. Take the lens cap off real quick. And now for my monitor, I use the Atomos Ninja V. So let's hook that up right here. And boom, right there. Sorry, let me grab my cord. All right, boom. All right, so hook that up to the monitor, and then hook this up. And that goes in right there. You guys can see it. All right. And then the SSD. And of course, the battery. Oh. All right, got that power going. And then really guys, that is it. So that's what FX30 rig setup looks like. Boom. Something quick, something light, something short. And that's it, guys.